Hi there and welcome. Thank you very much for coming out and joining me on this video. I've come out today to cook what I consider to be a cheap and easy camp meal. I was mentioned by a guy called Mark Davies. He cooked a cheap and easy camp meal himself and mentioned for me to do it, so here I am. I've came out today and that's what we're going to do. We'll get unpacked, we'll get set up. Right, the ingredients I've brought out today I would consider to be fairly straightforward and simple fare. If we had to go out and buy all the ingredients and we broke them down per portion, it would still work out a relatively cheap meal. But I consider these to be almost like a store cupboard ingredients, stuff that's usually left over from other meals. Let's take a look at what we've got. Firstly, we've brought some oil for cooking. We've brought a little bit of bacon. How many times have we cooked breakfast or something and there's a little bit of bacon spare? So I've brought that out today. We've brought a few eggs. We've brought a bit of cheese. And we've brought a wrap. Many times we cook for heaters or something like that at home and we have a few wraps left over. And we've brought some hot sauce because I do like my spice. So we'll get cracking on cooking that. We've brought the ridge monkey to cook it on. We've brought a plate and a spatula. And we're just going to get these sorted out and we'll get the ridge monkey on. Right, the ridge monkey's been on the heat for a minute or so now, so we'll add some oil. That's the oil added to the pan. Now let's get this bacon on. Got a few rashers of streaky bacon. Well, we've let the bacon cook on one side. Now we'll get the eggs cracked in. There we can see the eggs are cooked one side. I've flipped them over so the other side cooks, and then we'll give them a minute or two and we'll add the cheese. Right, we'll add some cheese to this now. Pocket out the way, close that back down and we'll flip it over, allow the cheese to melt. Just look at that, how good does that look? We'll get this served up now anyway. There we go. How fantastic does that look? Easy as that, nice and simple. Let's try this up. Beautiful. The bacon, the cheese, the egg and the spicy sauce has just got the right amount of kick. There we go, that's breakfast done, and that was absolutely incredible. I really enjoyed that. It was tasty, easy to make, a few simple ingredients, easy cooked over the firebox. Could be cooked on a gas stove, an alcohol stove. Nice, simple, basic, easy to make camp meal. Leave a comment and let me know what you enjoy cooking at camp, a basic, simple meal. I'm going to leave the video here, keep it short and sweet, and I'm just going to sit back and just enjoy a little bit more time in the woodland. If you're new around here and you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll say bye for now, and as always, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.